Good morning students, how are you? Now see question number 6 of exercise 6.2. See figure. In this figure A, B, C are points on sides OP, this one OP A, OB B on OR C point respectively, such that in given you can write AB parallel PQ and AC parallel PR, AC parallel PR, and in to prove you can write BC is parallel to QR. BC is parallel to QR. See student proof. In proof you can see AB parallel PQ in which triangle? AB parallel PQ in triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ. AB is parallel to PQ. It is given. Therefore, OA upon AP is equal to OB upon BQ. OP upon BQ. Why? By BPT. By basic proportional theorem. Mention this one as one. Similarly, in triangle AC parallel PR, in triangle OPR, similarly in triangle OPR, AC is parallel to PR. It is given. Therefore, you can write OA upon AP, OA upon AP equal to OC upon CR, OC upon CR. Reason same by BPT. Mention this one as second. From first and second. From first and second. See student, LHS is same. So RHS also become equal. OP upon BQ equal to OC upon CR. Now in triangle, downward triangle OQR. Now in triangle OQR, OP upon BQ equal to OC upon CR, proved above. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR. Why? By converse of BPT. Hence, it is proved. Now see question number 7. Using theorem 6.1, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. See in this given is what? DE is parallel to BC. D is the midpoint of AB. We need to prove E is the midpoint of AC. So see student, start with given. In given you can write in triangle ABC, first point DE is parallel to BC. Second point, D is the midpoint of AB. To prove, in to prove you can write E is the midpoint of AC. Proof. See student, DE parallel to BC, it is given, therefore AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC Y by BPT. Then after this you can write, or AD, this one D, in place of DB you can write AD, AE upon EC. Give reason. AD equal BD. Why? D is the midpoint of AB. So AD cancel with AD. EC you will take on this side. AE equal EC. It implies E is the midpoint of AC. Hence it is proved. Now question number 8. Using theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. In this student, see figure, D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of AC. We need to prove DE is parallel to BC. For this, start with given. In given you can write D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. Then to prove, in to prove you can write DE is parallel to BC. Proof. If D is the midpoint of AB, then AD upon DB equal to 1. Mention this one 1. Similarly, if E is the midpoint of AC, then AE upon EC equal to 1. Mention this one as second. From first and second, see student, RHS is same. AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. If corresponding ratios are same, then it implies lines are parallel. D parallel BC. Why? By converse of BPT. Hence it is proved. Now see question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO. See trapezium ABCD diagonal intersect each other at O. So write in given, in trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to CD. Second point, diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O. Then to prove In to prove, you can write AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO, or you can interchange this one, AO upon CO, BO upon DO. In this, students, construction is required. Do construction. This one line OM you will draw OM parallel to AB. Then see proof. AB parallel to CD, it is given. AB parallel to OM by construction. Therefore, OM is parallel to CD. Now see student, now in triangle ABD, OM is parallel to AB. Why? By construction. Therefore, now use BPT. AM upon MD equal to BO upon DO. Mention this one as 1. Give reason by BPT. After this, now in triangle, this one ACD. Now in triangle ACD, OM parallel to CD. Proved above. Therefore, AM upon MD equal to AO upon CO. Why? By BPT. Mention this one as second. From first and second, AO upon CO equal to BO upon DO. Why? Because LHS is same. Now you can interchange, or AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO. Hence it is proved. Student, this one question is very important. Yes student, now question number 10, last question of this exercise. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. So in this, converse is there of previous question given. You can write in quadrilateral ABCD, first point, diagonals